Hey guys, today's video, let's fix slow download in Windows 11. First of all, what you have to do is come below at the search bar, then type in data usage overview. Open it. In here, go for data usage. And at this page, you'll see all the sites or all the applications that are using your data. Now, if you would like, you can also uninstall any applications that are not needed and select enter limit. Make sure the data limit is set to 0. Once done, save it. For the next step, come below at the search bar, type in control panel. Open your control panel. Go for this network and sharing center, and then select change adapter settings. Right click onto your Wi-Fi, select properties. In here, select Internet Protocol version 4, select properties again. And make sure this first is selected, and under second, make sure the use the following DNS server addresses is selected. Under preferred DNS, type in 8888. Under alternative, select 8844. Select OK. Now go ahead, restart your device, try again, and this will fix your problem, and also ensure that your Wi-Fi is stronger.